Do you have old pictures that you want to restore for free? Open your browser and type https://www.photorestore.io/restore. Select Restore Photo. Browse the photo that you want to restore. Select the photo and click Open. Wait until the process is finished. When the restoration is done, click Download. Right-click and save the file to your computer. Here is the photo before and after. You will also notice that the file size is smaller compared to the original file. You can also remove background, increase image quality and resolution of an image. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe.